DJ Mix Master G. Hey.
Streets approved DJ Yerk. Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana.
Welcome to Santera Neuroscience Clinic. How can I help you today?
Hi, I think I've made an appointment to see Dr. Rocha.
All right, take a seat right there. What brings you in today?
I wanted to consult someone about my my shaking.
You're shaking, huh? Do you have trouble sleeping?
I do have trouble sleeping.
All right. Do you also have trouble swallowing?
Yeah, I've been finding it hard to swallow lately.
What are some of your other symptoms?
I don't know. My mouth's a little dry, I guess, and I feel a pain running down my back and my legs.
Pain in your back and legs. All right, well, I'll run this off to Dr. Rocha, and he'll be right in to see you in a minute.
Okay. Thank you.
Dr. Rocha! Mr. Kinger.
Hi, Dr. Rocha. How are you?
How's it going?
Good.
Let's see. Well, based on the reports that Nurse Casey has handed me, it seems you have Parkinson's disease.
Dr. Rocha, is this genetic?
Parkinson's.
And who might you be, sir?
This is my brother,
I'm his brother.
Horst.
Oh. Mr. Horst? Or Mr. Kinger? No.
Thank God.
It's not genetic, sir. It's just very rare.
Parkinson's? Please, how are you sure of this? Tell me more.
So, let's begin with what causes Parkinson's. There are many theories out there. The first state that you might have a mutation on your LRRK2 gene.
LRRK2 gene?
Yes.
What's a mutation?
A mutation is in a nucleic acid. And it's when not one nitrogen base might be substituted, deleted, inverted. Multiple mutations are possible. So, this mutation...
Wait, so does that mean like a mutation created the wrong chain of amino acids, which therefore created the wrong protein, and that's why I'm suffering from this condition?
Correctly so. May I ask where you went to school?
I attended Texas State with my sister, actually.
Very interesting. What'd you major in?
I majored in plant biology and microbiology.
That's very interesting.
Where did you go to school?
I went to University of Phoenix. I took many online classes.
Nice. Okay, sorry, back to my prognosis.
Yes. Let's. So, as I was saying before, this mutation on your gene, it causes the destruction or the death of the nerve cells in your brain, which are called neurons. And when these neurons die, it results in a decreased level of dopamine.
Dopamine. Dopamine's like a neurotransmitter, correct?
Correctly so, sir.
Okay, and what's dopamine involved with?
Hormones, some would say.
And
So,
what are those hormones, or what does dopamine do?
Dopamine is in charge of all your movements, feelings that you have in your body.
That makes sense.
Let's talk about the presence of Lewy bodies.
Okay,
Now,
Lewy.
Lewy bodies?
Lewy bodies. Is it like Louis Vuitton or?
No, sir. Not quite. So, Lewy bodies. They are clumps of specific substances within brain cells, and they are just microscopic markers of Parkinson's disease. It is unknown as of right now whether they are good or bad for you. So, you're probably wondering what type of treatment you might need to have.
Please, what can I do? I'm ready to do anything because I
Let
can't.
me call in my pharmacist, Dr. Brennan, so
Okay.
he may explain all this to you.
Okay.
Dr. Brennan? Dr. Brennan?
We're looking at two different types of treatments for your Parkinson's. The first one is a medication called carbidopa-levodopa. And
Leva who?
Carbidopa-levodopa. Levodopa is a natural chemical that changes into dopamine in the brain, and since you have a lack of dopamine, that's what's causing your Parkinson's. Another type of treatment is called a dopamine agonist, and those mimic the effects of dopamine, which is another form of treatment for Parkinson's.
Are these like inhaled, injected, smoked, like put into my head in pills?
They're prescribed.
Are they pills, sir?
Well, the dopamine agonist is injectable.
Brennan?
Yes.
Are there any side effects of agonistic dope?
Dopamine agonists, yes. There are a couple of side effects such as impaired memory, confusion, hallucinations, constipation, dry mouth, and urinary problems.
Okay, well, which one's the easier one to take?
The carbidopa-levodopa is less invasive because it's not injectable.
So do I just take like a pill?
Yes.
All right. So can you give me those pills?
Yes, I can hook you up with those pills, Mr. King. I'll make sure that you're on your way to get treatment.
Okay. So then I'll just go ahead and take a prescription.